Once upon a time, the Aprilia Caponord was among the most well-liked touring bikes available. This bike has exceptional road handling and a large load capacity. But the Caponord has been out of the market since 2016, and Aprilia is now getting set to release a brand new lineup of bikes that will undoubtedly be popular. Some reports claim that the 1100cc V4 engine featured in the RSV4 and Tuono V4 may be installed in the upcoming Caponord V4. Because of its power and smoothness, this engine is well suited for touring bikes. Let's recap. 175 horsepower at 11,350 RPM and 121 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM are produced by a 1077cc V4 engine. Although the engine's design may be different from the rest of the families, the Caponord is said to benefit greatly from the engine's maximum output of 160 horsepower. The newest innovations from Aprilia, such as traction control and semi-active suspension, may also be utilized by the Caponord V4. The bike will be safer and more pleasant to ride thanks to this technology, which makes it perfect for extended rides. But bear in mind that we shall come across some interesting conjectures when perusing European publications like Motorrad and InMoto. Aprilia may provide its clients with many Caponord V4 variants. We'll refer to one as basic and the other as premium to make it obvious which one is which. However, this does not imply that they are identical. Rather, the basic one will have somewhat different equipment. In addition, the chassis would be modified in comparison to the most recent Aprilia Caponord model. A new chassis built from a sturdy tubular steel frame with aluminum components and a steel rear subframe may be added to the bike, providing a sturdy foundation for packing as much gear as possible into 3 bags. The new Aprilia Caponord V4 has no official release date or even details about the most recent changes to the bike. But as you can see from the results, the market is now moving toward Maxi Trail. The BMW R1250 GS continues to be one of the most well-liked bikes in Europe, while the Ducati Multistrada V4 is the company's best-selling model. Should you be in the market for a sport touring bicycle, the recently released Caponord V4 may be a compelling option.